What is the theme of that poem?
The poisonous tree.
What is the theme of that poem? Poison tree. Can anyone tell me? So poison tree is about anger, isn't it? So you should not get angry. The main theme of that poem, isn't it? So it has only 16 lines. 4 plus 4 plus 4, isn't it? So totally 4 stanzas are there. So 16 lines. It's not a memory poem. The main thing, it's not a memory poem. So you are going to read only the appreciation question and then paragraph. Can you see this? Can you see this,
Yes, ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 stanzas are there. Each stanza have what? 4 lines, isn't it? It's easy
Yes,
poem.
ma'am.
See the first line. I was angry with my friend. I told
Yes.
my wrath did end. What? I was angry with my foe.
I
I
was
told
angry
it
with
not.
my foe.
No
Was
need to
angry
read.
with my
Wait.
flow. No,
My wrath did grow. So, what is given in the first stanza? What is given in the first stanza? So here I refers to poet. So who is the poet? What is the name of the poet? Can anyone tell me the name of the poet? What is the name of the poet?
William Black.
William Blake, isn't it? So
William
William
Black.
Blake. So see the first line. I was angry with my friend. So if you are angry with your friends, so what you will do? You will show that, isn't it? So you will show you will fight or you will express that. So then what happen? Your angry will disappear, isn't it? So if you are angry with your friend, you can express that. You can show that, isn't it? So that your angry comes to an end. So what is given in the first line? I was angry with my friend. So the poet was angry with his friend. I told my wrath. Wrath means what? So here, wrath means what? Anger. I told my wrath. I told my wrath means he expressed that. He showed that. He showed that anger to his friend. My wrath did end. So that is the ending point of his anger. So he expressed that. So that what happened? His anger comes to an end. See the third line. I was angry with my foe. So what is the next? What is the next line? I was angry with my foe. Foe means what? Enemy. Foe means what? Enemy. So first he was angry with his friend, so that he expressed that. So it comes to an end. So next what happened? He was angry with his enemy. He was not able to show that. He was not able to show that. He was not able to express that. So that what happened? It grew. So அது அப்படியே என்ன ஆகுது? அந்த கோவம் அப்படியே வளருது. So it started to grow. I was angry with my foe. I told it not. I told it not means what? He didn't express that. My wrath did grow. So what happened? If is angry. Is angry is growing. So that is given in the first 4 lines. So what is given in the first 4 lines? So please listen here carefully. At the end, I will ask you to explain. Each and every stanza you are going to explain. So please be ready for everything. So see the first stanza. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath. My wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not. My wrath did grow. So what is given in the first 4 lines? The poet was angry with his friend, so that he expressed that. So yeah, he expressed that, so that anger comes to an end. And next day, he was angry with his foe, that is enemy. He was not able to express that. So that what happened? That anger started to grow. So see the next stanza. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. So fierce. He was not able to express that, isn't it? So out of fear, night and morning, he was he was crying. He was crying, and he watered. He watered that anger with his tears. So tears என்னது அழுத கண்ட தண்ணி வரலதான் என்னது tears. Night and morning with my tears. And I sunned it with smiles and with soft deceitful wiles. So sunned it with smiles. So smiles here refers to fake smile. So suppose உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சவங்க யாரோ வராங்க, but they are enemy. So you are not very much close to them. At the time, what you will do? You will have some false smile. So அவங்கள பார்த்தோன்னா சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சுக்கு சிரிப்பீங்கல்ல, அதுதான் என்னது? And I sunned it with smiles. So fake smile. ஸோ நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை பார்த்தா மனசார சிரிப்போம். ஸோ அதுவே நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சவங்க யாரோ ஒருத்தவங்க போறாங்கன்னா நம்ம எப்படி சிரிப்போம்? சும்மா ஒரு 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 ஃபேக் ஸ்மைல் சிரிப்போம். அதுதான் என்னது? ஸ்மைல்ஸ். ஐ சன்ட் இட் வித் ஸ்மைல்ஸ் அண்ட் வித் சாஃப்ட் டிசீட்ஃபுல் வைல்ஸ். ஸோ டிசீட்ஃபுல்னா என்னதுன்னா கன்னிங். கன்னிங் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? தந்திரம். ஸோ நம்மளுக்குள்ள ஒரு தந்திரம். ஸோ நம்மளையே வந்து மனசுல ஒன்று வச்சுட்டு வெளியே ஒன்று பழகிறது. அதுதான் என்னது? டிசீட்ஃபுல் வைல்ஸ். And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears, and I sunned it with smiles and with soft deceitful wiles. So what is given in the third stanza? The poet was angry with his foe, that is the enemy. He was not able to express that. So for that, what happened? Day and night he was crying. So he was crying. So he watered that anger with his tears. And I sunned it with smiles. So whenever you see his enemy, he has the false smile, and with a soft deceitful wiles. So deceitful is cunningness. So see the so this first two stanza you are clear, right? Do you have any doubt in this? Do you have any doubt in this? Third stanza. No, and
ma'am.
it grew both day and night. So what happened? His anger is growing both day and night till it bore an apple bright. So apple bright. So இங்க ஆப்பிள் எதை சொல்றாங்கன்னா கிறிஸ்டியன்ஸ்க்கு தெரியும். அந்த ஆடாம் அண்ட் ஈவோட அந்த ஸ்டோரி சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. So they were the first people, first girl and boy who was present in the earth. So what happened at the time? God has given them a instruction. They should not eat the apple from that one particular tree. Isn't it? Any Christians here? Any Christians in this group? Do you know that story? That Adam and Eve story? Anyone? Children?
Yes,
No
ma'am.
Christians are here? Do you know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
Adam and Eve story? Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone explain that? So what is that story? Adam and Eve. So God created a first man and girl, isn't it? Adam and Eve. So what is the instruction given to them? They should not eat an apple from a forbidden tree. So one tree was there. So they should not eat apple from that forbidden tree. Okay. So at that time, what happened? One snake has come. So one snake has come there, and that it explains that that you should eat that apple. So it tempted. So அந்த பாம்பு என்ன சொல்லுதுன்னா, நீங்க கண்டிப்பா அந்த ஆப்பிள் சாப்பிட்டுதான் ஆகணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுது? டெம்ப்ட் என்னதுன்னா அவங்களுக்கு சாப்பிட தூண்டுது. ஸோ சாப்பிட தூண்டுறதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகுது அவங்களுக்கு? அது வரைக்கும் அவங்களுக்கு எதுவுமே தெரியாது. நல்லது எது, கெட்டது எது, நம்ம எதுக்கு இங்க இருக்கோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்களுக்கு எதுவுமே தெரியாது. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறமா தான் ஆப்பிள சாப்பிட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்னா, தே கம் டு நோ எவ்ரிதிங், isn't it? ஸோ நல்லது எது, கெட்டது எது, பாவம் எது, புண்ணியம் எது, நம்ம ஏன் இப்படி இருக்கோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே தெரிய வரும். கிளியர்? ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஒன்லி கிவன் இயர் till it bore an apple tree. So கடவுள் வந்து ஒரு பழத்தை சாப்பிடாதீங்கன்னு forbid பண்ணும்போது, so they are not believing God. They are not believing God. They are believing only the voice of the snake. Voice of the snake, so that only they come to the destruction, isn't it? So that is only given here till it bore an apple tree. So apple tree எதுக்கு சொல்றாங்கன்னா இங்க, so that anger has grown. So அந்த anger வந்து ஒரு மரமா வளர்ந்து அந்த மரத்துல இருந்து என்ன வருது இப்போ, ஆப்பிள் ட்ரீ, ஆப்பிள் மாதிரி ஒரு 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 பழம் வர மாதிரி அந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து அவங்க வந்து அந்த மரத்தை வந்து வளர்த்து வச்சிருக்காங்க. till it bore an apple bright and my foe beheld it shine and he knew that it was mine. So அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்டை பார்க்கும்போதெல்லாம், so inside didn't express that, but அந்த உள்ளுக்குள்ள அவருக்கு வந்து அந்த ஃப்ரெண்டை பார்க்கும்போதெல்லாம் அந்த கோவம் வந்து அவர் வந்து he want to express, but he didn't express that. And into my garden stole when the night had wheeled the pole. In the morning glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. So one day what happened in his garden? So in that poet's garden, he came. Who came? That enemy came to stole that apple. So to stole that apple in that night time. And morning what happened? He was dead. Who was dead there? That the enemy was dead. In the morning glad I see. So glad here refers to happy. He was very much happy to see his enemy died beneath the tree. So that is only given in this poem. So what is this poem about? This poem is about angry. You should not get anger. If you are getting anger, means what you should do? You should express that. You should express that. You should not suppress. அப்படியே உனக்குள்ளே போட்டு அமைக்க கூடாது, உனக்குள்ளே வச்சு அழுத்திக்க கூடாது. You should express that. Everyone have both sides. So எல்லாருக்குள்ளயுமே ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் இருக்கும், ஒரு நெகட்டிவ் இருக்கும், isn't it? So you should show only your positive. You should not show your negative to everyone. So maybe with your close friends you can show your negative, but you should not show your negative side to everyone. Clear? And also you should not express your angry to everyone. So that is the main theme of this poem. So if you are angry, means what you should do? You should express that. You should express that, and you should put a full stop for that. Otherwise, it will destroy both yourself and the opposite side. So that is the main theme of this poem. So see the first stanza. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not, my wrath did grow. So what is the rhyming verse given here? What is the rhyming verse given here? Can anyone tell me? What is the rhyming verse given here? What your children are doing there?
Friend.
Friend. And then third and fourth line, foe, grow. Foe, grow. Next, see the next stanza. Now take your note, take a fresh page, and then write a topic, a poison tree, which was written by William Blake, and then write rhyming words. Write it now. Write it now. Everyone, I will check your note.
Ma'am, first what learner, ma'am?
First, write the poem name, a poison tree.
Yes, ma'am.
And then write poet name, William Blake. Yes. And then write rhyming words. And then write rhyming words. Rhyming words, and then write the rhyming words which is given in the first stanza. Friend, end. Foe, grow. Foe, grow. See the next stanza. Make it fast. Everyone should write. Second, yes, you should write it in a note. Second stanza. Tears, tears. Miles, whiles. Next step. Third stanza. Night, bright. Shine, mine. Next, last stanza. Stole, pole, sea, tree. So this is your rhyming words. Now you are going to write rhyming scheme. Rhyming scheme. First write rhyming words. Friend, end, foe, grow, fierce, tears, miles, whiles, night, bright, shine, mine, stole, pole, sea, tree. So these are all your rhyming words. Ma, who is shouting there? See the next one. Next, put the topic rhyme scheme. RHYME, rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme.
மாமா எனக்கு class
So what is the rhyming scheme?
கேக்குதா?
Who is talking
எனக்கு
there?
class அந்த சைடுல கால் பண்ணுங்க.
Yes. Next rhyme scheme. So how to find out rhyme scheme? See the first stanza. Friend, end. So first you should write A, isn't it? A, and then foe, grow, B. So what is your rhyming scheme here? A, B. So like that you are going to write. For the next stanza.
Ma'am, tell again, ma'am.
So next, tears. Smiles, whiles. A, B. Third one, night, bright. A, shine, mine, B. Next, stole, pole, A, sea, tree, B. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So now you are going to find out alliteration. Next, put the topic alliteration. Alliteration. So see the first line. I was angry with my friend. Do you have alliteration in this line? Do you have alliteration in this line?
Yes, ma'am.
Was with.
What with? Was with.
And then second stanza. Night and morning with my tears. Night and morning with my tears. Do you have any alliteration there?
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Night and morning with my tears.
Morning.
Morning, my.
Morning, night.
Morning, my, not night. M is your alliteration. Morning, my. M is your alliteration. Underline M. And then, and I sunned it with smiles. And I sunned it with smiles.
Sunday smile.
Sunned.
Smile.
Hmm. And then, and with soft, deceitful wiles. And with soft, deceitful wiles.
With
With
while.
wiles.
With whiles.
And then, see the next stanza. Till it bore an apple bright. Till it bore an apple bright.
Bore bright.
Bright.
More bright.
That's all right. So that's all. So today you have written rhyming words, rhyming scheme, and then alliteration. So yesterday I have sent you this video, both video for to explain the poem and also to explain the appreciation question. So if you have watched that, means it will be clear for you. So I have just explained it. That's all. So have you written this,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can anyone explain the first stanza? Can anyone explain the first stanza?
Friend end. Few grow. Fear.
I
Fear.
asked you to explain
Fear
the
grow.
first stanza. What is given in the first stanza? Can anyone explain? Arishram? Arishram? Ma, please unmute and talk. I told you while I'm teaching you should listen and I will ask you question at any time. You are simply you are talking with your family members. You are not listening to me. So see here, answer the following questions. This only I have given you as a homework, isn't it? So have you watched that video? So in that I have explained this only. See the first question. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. So that is the poetic lines. So now what is the question given there? Who does I refers to? Who does I refer to? So I refer to here.
Refers to the poet William
I
Blake.
refers to here. Speak up, speak, ma. Please unmute yourself and talk. I refers to here poet. What is the name of the poet? William Blake.
William Blake.
William Blake. So see the next question. How did the anger of the poet come to an end? So he was angry with his friend, isn't it? So how it come to an end? How it come to an end?
The
He expressed that, isn't it? He expressed that he showed his anger to his friend so that it comes to an end. So what is the answer for that?
end.
The anger of the poet comes to an end after talking to his friend.
Talking to the
So
friend.
you should express and you should show that to your friend so that you can easily put full stop for your anger. See the next one. Write a synonym to a wrath. Wrath means what? Anger.
Anger.
What is the meaning for wrath? Anger.
Anger.
We are not going to write anything. So I'm just explain what is the homework. So this is your homework for that. I'm just explaining. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
This is not a memory poem. So you may not give importance for this poem. So that only I'm explaining everything. So most important thing is you should know the poem name and also the poet name. So what is the poem name? What is the poem name?
William Black. William.
Poison tree. So what is the name of the poet?
William.
What is the name of the poet? William Blake.
William Blake.
So see the next question. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. So what is given in the second question?
Anger.
What does it refer to? It refers to anger. So he was angry with his enemy. He didn't express that, isn't it? So he allowed it anger to grow. So night and morning with his tears, he watered it in fears. How was it watered? How was it watered?
It was
It was watered with fears and tears of the poet.
fears and tears of the poet.
Fears and tears of the poet. So out of fear, he started to cry. So with his tears, he was watering that anger. So what is the second question? And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. What does it refers to? It refers to anger. Next one, how was it watered? So it was watered with fears and tears of the poet.
Tears of the poet.
So see the next one. In the morning, glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. So glad. Glad means what? So what is the meaning for glad? Glad to meet you சொல்லுவாங்க. So glad means what? What is the meaning of glad? Happy. Glad means what? Happy. In the morning, glad I see. So in the morning, what happened? The poet was happy to see his friend dead beneath the tree. So glad means happy. My foe outstretched beneath the tree. Foe means what? What is the meaning of foe? What is the meaning of foe? What is the meaning of foe? F-O-E. Foe na என்னது? Enemy. Foe means what? Enemy. So you should know the meaning for this. Wrath. What is the meaning of wrath? Anger. What is the meaning of foe? enemy. What is the meaning of glad? Happy. See the next question. How did the poet feel in the morning? So he felt happy in the morning. So glad means what? Happy. So he was very much happy in the morning. See the next question. Who is the foe referred to here? So foe means what?
The
Foe means what?
enemy. Enemy. Enemy.
Enemy. So the foe referred here is the poet's enemy, on whom the poet is angry with. So you can write enemy. Who is the foe referred to here means what? You can write enemy. The poet's enemy. See the third question. Why was the foe found lying outstretched beneath? So how was he died? The foe ate the poisonous apple from the tree of
From the tree
anger,
of
and he
anger,
was
and
lying
he
outstretched
was
beneath the
lying
tree.
out.
So it is, this poem is imaginary poem. So you should imagine everything. You should imagine everything that the poet was angry with his enemy. He grew. So he started to grow his anger. He watered that anger with fears and tears. So that what happened? His anger grow like a tree. ஸோ ஒரு மரம் மாதிரி வளருது. அந்த மரத்துல இருந்து என்ன வருது? ஒரு ஆப்பிள் வருது. அந்த ஆப்பிள் என்னவா கம்பேர் பண்றாங்க? ஒரு பாய்சன் ஆப்பிளா கம்பேர் பண்றாங்க. ஸோ பாய்சன் ஆப்பிளா கம்பேர் பண்றாங்க. And one night what happened? The enemy came to the poet's house to steal that apple. So அந்த ஆப்பிளை திருடுறதுக்காக வராரு. So he didn't know that apple is a poison. So அந்த எனிமிக்கு தெரியாது இந்த மரத்துல இருந்து வந்த ஆப்பிள் வந்து பாய்சன் அவருக்கு தெரியாது. Clear? So that what happened? He ate that poisonous apple. So that what happened? He was lying dead. So this poem is fully personification. So personification
Imaginary.
means what? Personification என்னது? Giving human qualities to the non-living thing. Giving human qualities to the non-living thing.
Non-living things.
Non-living thing or anything. Any animals or birds or anything. So here, what is the name of the poem? Poison Tree, isn't it? So here, they are not telling that tree has a poison. So they are comparing tree as a anger. So this full poem is something like full poem is personification.
Personification.
Personification and the giving human qualities. Giving human qualities to
Non-living
the
things.
non-living thing. Finished? So at last I will ask you a question. So please listen carefully. So see here, we have already seen this, isn't it? So this is how the question paper will be. They will give 4 lines. From that 4 lines, they will ask you question. So what is the first question? 4 lines were given. 4 lines were given there, isn't it? I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath. My wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not. My wrath did grow. So what is the first question? Pick out the rhyming words. So you have to pick out the rhyming words from the given stanza. So in the stanza you are going to find out the rhyming words. See the ending. Friend, end. Foe, grow. So that is your rhyming words. Next, see the second question. What is the rhyme scheme of the stanza? I have already told you, isn't it? So how to find out rhyming scheme? For that, you should first know the rhyming words. Then only you can write the rhyming scheme. Friend, end, AA, foe, grow, BB. Third question. Identify the figure of speech in the title of the poem. So I already told you, isn't it? So this poem is a personification. They are giving human qualities. Human qualities to the tree. Actually, tree is not in the space to of that tree will not express the anger, isn't it? But here, the tree is given the human quality. See the next one. And I watered it in fierce, night and morning with my tears. What is the figure of speech is used in watered it in fierce? Personification. So no one watered the trees with the tears, isn't it? So you may pour some water to the trees, but here what is given there? Night and morning with my tears. So that only that line is called personification. Yes. Have you written? Please switch on your video. Dakshin, Karthikeyan, Santosh, Harishram, Yuvaraj, Pugarendi, Satyaj, I am not able to see you. Bhubalan, Darshan, Madan Raj, please switch on your video. Everyone. Bhaskar,
Ma'am, I on the ma'am.
Sudarshan, Kishore, Praveen Kumar, Jivanathan. Show me your notes. I want to see what you have written in the notes. Show me your note. Dinesh, Yugendran, Muhammad Yunus, Shailesh.
Ma'am, Madan Raj. Ma'am, Madan Raj.
Take your note. Okay. Whose note is that? Someone is showing
Madan
here.
Raj.
Madan Raj. Madan Raj. Okay. Next, Devanathan, Tarvin, Siddharth. Show me your notes fast. Only few students are showing. I'm not able to see the others' note. Okay. What about Darshan? Darshan, where's your note? Madan Raj, I have seen. Okay, Darshan. Sanjay, where's your note? Okay. Bhaskar. Bhaskar, Kishore. Bhaskar, switch on your video.
Nasty, ma'am.
Bhaskar, Kishore, Naveen, Bhubalan. Okay. You should not write like this. A. You should write A. Should not use capital letter. You should use small letter. Naresh.
Naveen, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm Dinesh, ma'am.
Next, who else? Okay. Have you written your homework? Everyone, you should not show your homework here. You should write everything. You are
Finish my
showing your
homework
homework,
here.
I think. You should not try. You should not show your homeworks now. I told you to write it separately. This is separate and that is separate. You should not show your homework now. Harish Ram, where's your note? So shall I ask you a question now? So I'm going to ask you only small, simple questions. Clear? So what is the meaning of a foe? What is the meaning of foe?
Ma'am,
Who is
Madan
going
Raj.
to tell the
Enemy.
answer for that?
Ma'am, Madan Raj, ma'am.
Enemy. First tell me your name and then
Madan Raj, ma'am.
enemy. What is the meaning of rat? Madan Raj. WRATH, rat. What is the meaning of rat?
Angry, ma'am.
Angry. So, angry. Okay. So, can anyone explain the first two lines? I was angry with my friend. I told it. Can you explain? Can you explain that? So, what does I refer to? What is given in the first line? I was angry with my friend. Who was angry there? Who was angry?
The poet.
Poet. What is the name of the poet? What is the name of the poet? William Blake. So what is given in the first two lines? William Blake was angry with his friend. So what happened next? What happened next? How that anger come to an end? How that anger come to an end? He talked to his friend, isn't it? He talked to his friend. He expressed his anger. So that only what happened? That anger comes to an end.
Come to end.
And then what is the third line? I was angry with my foe. Foe means what? Foe means what? What is the meaning of foe? Enemy.
Enemy, ma'am.
So, in the third line, what happened? He was angry with his foe, but here what happened? He didn't express that. He didn't express that, so that what happened? It started to grow. Which one started to grow? Which one started to grow? எதுமா வளர ஆரம்பிக்குதாங்க?
Angry. End.
You was angry. So angry started to grow. So and it grow like a apple tree, isn't it? So that is only given in the first stanza. So it should be first. You should clear with the first stanza. And then what happened? He started to water that tree with his tears and fears. So what does tears and fears means? What does tears and fears means? Tears and fears. What happened? He didn't express his anger, isn't it? So that what happened? He started to cry out of fear. So with his tears, he started to water his plant, that tree. Clear? So this is your second stanza. So who is going to explain the third stanza? You were simply sitting. I don't know why you are sitting like this. You are not at all talking and you are not at all explaining anything.
In the morning,
Yeah. Now I'm showing the poem. So now explain the third stanza. Anyone? Any one of you please explain the third stanza. And it grew both day and night till it bore an apple bright.
and night, little boy and apple night, and my tear inside, and he then
So
it
beheld
was
its sign, and he knew that it was mine. Can you explain this? So, and it grew both day and night. So, here it refers to anger. So, that anger started to grow both day and night till it bore an apple bright. So, one day reached this point. That anger reached this point and it bore an apple bright. And my foe beheld it shine. So, what happened? He was attracted. He was attracted by the apple tree. He was attracted by the apple, that shining apple. So that what happened? He entered the garden, poet's garden, to eat that apple. And then last stanza, and into my garden stole. So he entered the garden. He entered the poet's garden to stole that apple. When the night had wheeled the pole, in the morning glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. So during the night time, he entered the garden and he started to eat that apple, that poisonous apple. So that what happened next morning, that poet was very much glad to see his dead enemy. So that is only given in this poem. Do you have any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Do you have any doubt?
No,
So
ma'am.
again, after this class, please do watch both that video again, so that only you may have a clear idea about this poem, and also you should read the appreciation questions which is given in the video, and then only you should write the homework. Please don't copy, read and write. So any homework you should not copy. So you should read once or twice and then only you should start writing your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have any doubt means you can ask me. So shall we end the class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Oh, yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So, okay. So
No, ma'am.
one by
Lesson
one
take,
you
ma'am.
can leave the class. After this class, you should you should once again watch that video, both poem video and then appreciation video.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
yes, we can go, ma'am.
Yes, you can
Ma'am.
leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.